Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am your mentor Shikha. Today we will create this beautiful landscape in a different style of colors. They are artist oil pastels. Before we start, I would request you all to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. So let's start. Today we will start with some different kind of painting. We'll use oil pastels. I have these artist oil pastels which we'll use and create a painting with these colors. Before we start, I would request you all to please subscribe our new channel Lux on the Train for all the travel, masti, fun, unlimited. So let's start with it. Now these are soft pastels, oil pastels, but they are very soft to merge. So let's start with the drawing. I'll do the basic drawing. I'm making a path here for a road basically. Now everything we will be doing it with the color. Start with it. What I'll do is I will first take the green color, shades of green color, and I will just do some green color. We'll add the depth with the darker green. Just random I'm doing it. We'll add the depth. Now these colors are very smooth and we can just merge it with our hands. Now before I merge it above that, I will first make some sky. So for the sky, I am adding the color blue and the color white. Just randomly adding a little bit more on the tree side. We can add a little bit of depth with the black color. Now here we will make another tree. So what we'll do is we'll take the shades of brown. You can always keep a cloth with you to wipe off your hand so that the extra color gets removed. Now we'll just merge it. Then we'll take some shades of orange, red, and I'm just randomly giving some dots. So I'm just randomly adding some dots of red and orange color. So I'm randomly using maroon, red and orange color to give these dots. We will make similar kind of a tree on this side. You can always wipe your hand on a cloth. What I'm doing is I'm again making a tree trunk over here, and then we'll make them random. Now we will add some shades of brown, some dots of brown along with orange and red and yellow. Now this is the path. I'll just this is the path, and we will be using the gray color for this. Have this gray color. I'll just randomly first color it with the gray color. Now we'll add a center line with a white color. And we'll add some depth on the corners with a little bit of black color. Adding a pinch of grey. Here we'll add some more depth with a black color to the greener part. Maybe on the road it's lined. Just add some highlight to the railing. Okay, I'll just remove the tapes and show you how it will look. So the basic painting is ready. Now this is what we have created. Do give it a try. I know you will enjoy it. It has a different softness in it. So whatever you create, share it with us on our Insta and Facebook page. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy and stay safe.